that in 2014, if you can recall, the government had launched the first equity-based ETF, exchange tradable funds. The 2014 step was towards equity trading funds. Now what the government has given, the cabinet has given approval for is for a bond equity trading fund, exchange trading fund. So earlier was an exchange trading fund for equities, now it is for bonds. And both the equity-based exchange trading funds of after 2014, twice, one was in 14 and one other was in 17, both have had a good success rate. The diversified index-based fund which was created in the name of Bharat 22, which was also an equity traded one, had very good reception. All that is equity-based. Now what we have done, and I'm very grateful that the cabinet has given an approval for it, is we are trying to deepen the bond market in India. We are making sure that the bond market can also become one of the ways in which both government, public sector undertaking that is included, and also private agencies can raise debt and therefore fund their operations. So not just depending on equities, but now depending also on the debt market. So this major decision of the cabinet actually deepens the bond market, actually deepens the alternative for raising funds, and therefore India can become a lots more financially vibrant economy. Now in doing this, we are giving an option also for retail investors, in that every retail purchase of the bond would give the retailer, one, a satisfaction that he is participating in the developmental activities of the country, two, to invest in his funds not just into banks through fixed deposits and savings accounts and earn meagerly from it, whereas now in an open, transparent fashion, the units that he will buy in this bond will be openly traded and the rates for the interest will be fixed in the market depending on the float. So for a retail investor, this gives an option both to buy bonds for government organizations, or be in the market, therefore also participate in any other bond issues. So we have now the cabinet has given permission for creating an umbrella bond ETF, through which we hope to diversify the investor base and bring in a lot of retail investors into the market. And how will we have the retail investors come into the market? Because the units are not going to be valued more than 1,000 rupees each. Therefore, the investor doesn't have to hold large quantities of money to go and buy 1 crore worth for the bond. He can participate in this even by just buying a 1,000 rupee unit.